Gains for most yesterday, even if small, and a pullback in the futures market this morning, as you can see here on IG's trading app. Now, U.S. preliminary manufacturing and services data managing to best expectations, but it was more about after hours with earnings from two heavyweights. Microsoft, look at its share price right here. That's the daily chart, and enjoying strong gains after an earnings and revenue beat for third quarter, even raising its guidance for this quarter. And clients on our end, going to scroll across here to market data. You can see they were holding extreme buys, big beneficiaries. Tell you where they're also holding extreme buy: Alphabet or Google. While its third quarter earnings and revenue were beat, it missed on the closely watched cloud revenue. You can see the results here down by a similar amount. Now, as for today, another big tech going to be releasing its figures, Meta. And going into it, clients on our end holding heavy buys, even if not as high as in Microsoft or Alphabet. Those of you trading FX, and specifically the Canadian dollar, there's the Bank of Canada at 6 p.m. Dubai time expected to hold when it comes to its monetary policy.